พื่อนสองคนกำลังตั้งแคมป์ในป่าพวกเขากำลังพยายามที่จะตั้งเต็นท์และเตรียมอาหารเย็นบรรยากาศสนุกสนานและผ่อนคลาย
Alright, Maya, let's get this tent up before it gets too dark. I think I remember how from last year, maybe.
Maybe? Ben, you said that last year, and we ended up sleeping under the stars because the tent collapsed at 2 a.m.
Okay, I learned from my mistakes. This year is different. I even watched a YouTube tutorial.
A YouTube tutorial? Seriously? Well, I guess it's better than nothing. Hand me the poles, please.
Here you go. Now, according to this guy, we need to, connect the blue pole to the green one?
Ben, they're all the same color? Just try to match the lengths, okay? I'll start unpacking the food. I'm starving.
Alright, lengths it is. Say, what's on the menu tonight? I'm thinking gourmet campfire cuisine.
Gourmet? We have hot dogs and marshmallows. Don't get your hopes up too high.
Hot dogs roasted over an open flame are practically gourmet. Besides, we can roast the marshmallows and make s'mores later.
Okay, fine. S'mores are always a win. But focus on the tent first, Mr. YouTube expert. The sun's going down fast.